In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow photo access on WhatsApp. So let's go to the WhatsApp and let me show you what I'm talking about here. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick a new chat here. And as you see, the camera icon is here. That is used to actually take a physical photo and send it. But I'm talking about actually uploading a photo from your photo gallery and being able to send it. So as you see, the plus sign is on the far left-hand side. So let's go ahead and hit that. And let's go ahead and choose photos. So as you see, WhatsApp does not have access to our photos. So let's go ahead and turn that on. We can go to the settings from this page here. So let's just go to settings. And as you see, this is your actual iPhone settings. So if I were to back out of here, we're in our settings, and then we go down to apps, and then we go ahead and type in WhatsApp. And from here, as you see photos, it has no access. So let's go ahead into there. And let's go ahead and choose full access. Allow full access. And now when we go back to WhatsApp, and let's go ahead to a new chat here. Let's just go here, I guess. And then let's go ahead to that same plus line. And then let's go to photos. And now WhatsApp has access to our photos that are actually on our phone. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to allow WhatsApp access